Good morning from a beautiful, I can't tell you how beautiful this is, ne? Check this pool behind me. That you see there, that is the mighty Kunene River. So we've been chasing rivers and waterfalls, but I need to show you this hidden gem. In Ruakana, of all places, a pool overlooking the Kunene River. And the sun is I'm gonna turn the camera around. But check how this beautiful place is. Now this is Raymond from Palmera's Lodge in Oshikangu. This is their campsite and chalets in Ruakana. Let me show you the beauty of this place. Now this is one thing you will not expect in a dry, desolate desert place like Ruakana. Lush green lawns. Check here. All throughout the whole of the campsite. Green lawns. And if you stand here, that, my friends, that is the mighty Kunene River. That is the river in flood now. And if you just go a little bit upstream, where's that? That is the mist cloud of the falls. But let me show you this beautiful campsite. So there's even kiddies, they can come play here. But let's go take a look at the campsite itself. Malinki, they even supply braai wood, ne? But for me personally, if I book next time, I will ask for number 1, baby Jane. Ne?
I will ask for Raymond's house. Thank you.
Because number 1 is right next door to the pool. And it's got a lekker view of the river. There's the river. So in my opinion, site 1, and even here, there's the Kunene River. Yes, Malinki?
Kijk toe.
Yeah, I saw the cloud bank. So this is campsite number 1, and again, green lawns. And of course, Schweizer people took the best campsite, ne? No, Schweizer people took the best one. Again, Malinki. Like always, jy weet, ne? Arme sis, sy moes maar 2 vat. And so, this Mopanis are gonna grow to be beautiful shade trees. Even number 2, second prize, because from here you can see the mist again of the falls. And it's next to number 1, baby. So they go around like this. If memory serves me right, there is 6. And each campsite, that's another big lekker thing. Each campsite has its own private ablution. Let me go show you what. Plug points galore. So you can charge your caravan. You have your own private table, your own private lawn, your own private malinki.
En 'n wasgedraad oral
Yeah, so you can do your laundry here. There's beautiful laundry. And let me just show you. Check this ablutions, private ablutions. There's the throne, like a window outside, table, and a stone shower. How insane awesome is that not for private ablutions? And again, beautiful lawns in the campsite in Kahuku land. Now that alone is like a moerse plus point. So there is campsite number 4. This one is heavy shaded. Again, you can do laundry and you have your own laundry rack. Me and Malinki, we chose number 5. Ne, Malinki?
Oh, it's a lot.
And some of them even all of them have shade ports over the campsite.
Shade what?
Shade ports. There's shade ports. So listen, Raymond just thought of about everything when it comes to absolute luxury camping. Plug points galore. So the tannies, like Malinki, you can blast your hare here, Malinki. You can charge your batteries here, Malinki.
Like hierdie vir jou geblaas.
No, it doesn't look geblaas. But let's go check the communal braaiplek, nee, baby?
Yep.
But just initial thoughts of this campsite. This is the benchmark. Nee,
Baie mooi.
this is beautiful, man. Beautiful. But let's go check the communal braai place.
Kom ons gaan.
Let's go. So there is right next door to the pool. Sun is a little bit not lekker now. Early morning. But there's communal showers, toilets for people that does not get the private ablutions. They still have communal campsites as well. And yes, I can't just get enough of this lawns, this beautiful, beautiful lawns. But this is the kuierplek. This is where everybody come together, kuier. They've got a beautiful little kiosk here where we bought maize for some pap last night. There's the kiosk window and the communal braai place. So if you're in a group and you want to kuier all together, braai together, that's your go-to, and lots of seating places. And again, the view from here and the lawns. I'm going to say that 1,000 times. And there's the mighty Kunene River. Bliksem, man. Huh? Who thought that you'll see so much lawns in a dry place like a Hoekuland? Unbelievable what Raymond has done here in a Reikana, close to Ruakana. But let's go explore a little bit more. So at Reikana, this is Raymond's own private residence next to the campsite, né? But I need to show you guys this, né? I need to show you guys this. I'm gonna open up here. Check this out. This is his view from his house. But say, man, this is his campsite, the most beautiful campsite below here. All flooded. Flooded, flooded. The most beautiful green lawns underwater. But just check how much in flood is this mighty Kunene River. Yeah, Raymond, you've got a beautiful, beautiful house, my bro. So let me show you our Charlotte for tonight. Again, green lush lawns. And check this view, né? Let me just go to here. Again, the views from all Reikana Chalets campsites is over the mighty Kunene River. Malinki, how beautiful is this? Huh? And there you can see that's the road to Epupa. Flooded. The river has pushed up across the road there. But let's go see what the Charlotte looks on the inside. Like a bright Johnny. And this is our humble abode for tonight. Morsamor. Marlene, kom kyk gou hierso. Bliksem. Check the view of this. This is your view from your room. Morsamor.
Ryk lekker grasdag.
Ja, lekker. Thatched roof. And everything you can think of for self-catering. And then that is the room. So Malinki, there's my bed. And there's your bed. Geskei van bed and table. And this is the ablutions. Beautiful. There's my throne. Shower. And a big mirror so Malinki can see how beautiful she is. Huh? She is. Baby Jane, nou gaat ons lekker bly. Kyk hier, nou moet jy nie vir my pla nie.
En ons het 'n private chef.
Het ons 'n private chef. Oh yeah, this is even at Reikana you get your private chef and butler. His name is Jan Makaplan. Luister Janna, well done wat julle hier reg kry. This is next level. This is what camping and glamping should be about. Nee Malinki.
Definitely.
So yeah, let's make something to eat man, I'm hungry baby. Let's eat. And so what a place to come view the end of day. So at Reikana, this is the, I think they call it the lookout point, or the lookout deck, with a unbelievable view over the now flooded Kunene River. Moer. It doesn't get better than this in Africa.
From the deck at Reikana, the sun dips low and gold, painting the mighty Kunene in fire and stories untold. Angola whispers across the flowing line, wide open Kale calling where the wild hearts align. Off the beaten tracks, through dust and ancient stone, wildlife roams silent, we're never alone. Campfires spark to life as the night unfolds, under vast open skies where legends are told.